If you're thinking about downsizing or helping someone you love take that step, this video is for you. Because downsizing isn't just about square footage. It's about life and how you want to live it next. You've likely spent years building a home in London or the surrounding area. Maybe it's where you raised your kids. Maybe it holds decades and decades of memories. So even when the feeling feels just right, it can still feel very overwhelming. You're watching Community Real Estate Group London and Area Living, where we share real estate tips and neighborhood insights to help you move forward with 100% confidence. For more than 30 years, we've helped hundreds and hundreds of people across London, Exeter, Lucan, Thorndale, and beyond make the downsizing transition. And the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all version of downsizing. Some of our clients are empty nesters ready for something simpler. Some are caregivers helping a parent find safety and support. Others are trading rural acreage for a low-maintenance condo or a bungalow near or inside town. Whatever the reason, it's not just about the move. It's about getting clarity, gaining confidence, and feeling in control of the process. That's why we walk at your pace, never quicker. We help you decide what to keep, what to let go of, and how to prep your home without stress. We guide every step right through the finding of a space that fits not just your needs, but your lifestyle today and beyond. And the people we work with often say the same thing. They felt understood, they felt cared for, and they never felt rushed. That's the part we're most proud of, because this isn't just a transaction. This is a major life moment, and it deserves to be handled with patience, care, and respect. So if downsizing is on your radar, whether it's months away or you're just starting to feel that it's possible, let's talk. We'll meet you where you are. No pressure, just a beginning conversation. Are you thinking about life in a walkable London neighborhood? Want to explore options in Thorndale, Exeter, St. Mary's, Komoka? We'll help you find the right streets and the right home when you are ready. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Community Real Estate Group London and Area Living for more expert real estate tips and neighborhood insights. Are you ready to take the next step? Visit communityrealestategroup.ca. We're here to guide you every step of the way.